Once in a quiet village lived a humble farmer. He had only one horse, strong and loyal, which he used to plow the fields. One day, the horse broke loose and ran off into the hills. The neighbors came, shaking their heads. "Such bad luck. Now you can't plow your land." The farmer simply said, "Maybe." Days later, the horse returned, bringing with it a herd of wild horses. The neighbors rejoiced. "What great fortune! Now you are rich with horses." Again, the farmer said, "Maybe." The farmer's only son tried to tame one of the wild horses. The animal threw him, breaking his leg. The neighbors cried out, "What terrible misfortune! Now your son can't help you in the fields." The farmer replied, "Maybe." Not long after, the army marched into the village, forcing every young man to join the war. They spared the farmer's son because of his broken leg. The neighbors whispered, "How fortunate you are! Your son is saved." The farmer answered softly, "Maybe." This story reminds us that life cannot be judged by single moments. What seems like misfortune today may open the door to blessing tomorrow. And what looks like fortune may hide challenge within it. Jesus taught, "Do not worry about tomorrow. Trust in God's unfolding." Buddha taught, "This arises, that arises. This ceases, that ceases. All is interconnected, beyond instant judgment." Follow for more warrior wisdom and life-changing truth.